Hi, this is Liz. Thank you for watching my video. I made this video because I wanted to show how easy it is to get around Lake Como. We got to Lake Como via train. We took the train from Milan Central. We got to Milan Central from the airport, from Malpensa. We never rented a car on this trip. And I just wanted to show how simple it was. We decided to stay in Verena mostly because we just loved how beautiful it looked, but really because the train station goes right to Verena after a few stops, of course, but it was super easy to get to. And then from Verena was really nice. We were able to take the ferries all around the lake and just enjoy our time there without having a car. So we just got to Como and Lake Como. We're very interested in this because we have a bus station, train station, ferry station,
all the ferries,
and a triangle. Just perfect. so foggy we can't even really see the mountains across the way. But it's just so beautiful all the time. It doesn't matter if it's raining or if it's foggy. It's so serene. I love Verena. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful. I just wanted everyone to get an idea of what it was like to take the ferries around the lake. I put some websites on the video. Hopefully it's helpful. Thank you, everyone.